What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So for today's video, ang ipepresent ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang MG GT Sports. So tara, samahan nyo akong reviewin siya. So guys, this is the MG GT Sport. So siya yung top of the line ng sport sedan nila. SRP is 1,193,888. So guys, this is the LED headlamps of MG GT Sports. So naka-projector lamp siya with daytime running lamps. Ganda nito. Then as you can see, ayan yung grills niya. So ang tawag nila dyan ay flame grill grills with the big MG badge plus front camera. So yan yung 360 niya. So here is the engine of MG GT Sports. So it is a 1.5 liter engine with turbocharge. Highest horsepower is 161 horsepower by 4,000 RPM. And then ang highest torque niya is 250 Newton meter by 4,000 RPM then. So, yeah. So guys, punta tayo sa gulong. So as you can see, ang ganda ng gulong niya. So it is a Tomahawk design. So ang size ng gulong is 215 by 50 rim 17. And then all these brakes na yung gulong. Tapos of course lahat Tomahawk. So, as you can see, naka 360 camera na rin siya or may camera siya sa side turn lamps with LED side turn lamps. So, pasok tayo sa loob. So guys, ito nga pala yung 12.3 inch LCD meter cluster niya. So ang ganda. Ang ganda niya oh. So ayan, ito yung meter cluster niya. So ito voice command, favorites, tapos sa cruise control to. And then, ito naman sa sounds, sa radio, and then sa phone and sa source ng sounds. Ganda guys. So, with the big MG badge. So, ayan. Then, tingnan naman natin dito guys. So, this is a 10-inch LCD display with Android Auto and CarPlay. So, itry natin yung Android Auto ng cellphone ko. So, guys, ito nga pala yung Android Auto ng MG GT Sports. So, ayan. So, kapag kinonect mo siya sa cellphone, ang una magpa-prompt sa'yo is yung Google Maps plus yung sounds ng sasakyan. So, try natin yung sounds. Ganda. So, ayan yung sample sounds ng MG GT Sports. Then, as you can see, ang ganda. So, nandito tayo, nakapin. And then, puntahan natin yung iba. So, katulad lang ng naandun sa MG4 na design. So, we have messages, messenger, phone, reminder, Skype, Spotify, Viber, and business. So, same lang. Same lang sila, guys. Then, dito naman yung push start ng sasakyan. And then, ito naman yung mga pindutan or more options when it comes to aircon. So, ito yung aircon vent. Then, ayan. So, nakasaksak yung cellphone ko, kaya na-access natin yung Android Auto. So, here naman, ito yung sa shift knob niya, guys. So, patayin muna natin. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung shift knob niya, ha? Tapos, with electronic parking brake with auto hold na siya. Ganda. So, ito metal design to, guys. Ganda. Sporting sport to, ah. Tapos, guys, tignan nyo naman yung steering wheel with red stitch na. Ganda. With chrome design. Same here sa side. So, ayan. Tapos may fiber design din dito. Then, it has a paddle shifters nga pala. So, ayan. Paddle shifters. Then, yeah. Ito yung loob. Ito naman, chrome design din. Ganda. Shit, ang ganda nito. Chrome design hanggang doon. Tapos ito with diamond design. So leather din. Then plastic, of course. Ito plastic to, of course. Not a leather. So may speaker ka pa rito. Speaker ka dito. So, you have the sunroof. Then, ito yung pindutan niya. Pag gusto mong i-open, then, tapos, tignan natin yung lights. So, halogen yung lights niya. Then, manual lang pala to. So, yeah. Then, we have sunshade holder. Dito naman, we have vanity mirror. Yeah. And same here, may vanity mirror. Guys, ang mura nito, 1,193,000 tapos naka-sport sedan ka na. Ang ganda pa ng color. Then, ito, pure leather with red stitch. Ganda, oh. So, yan. So, you have armrest nga pala dito with 2 cup holders. Yan. So, lagayan ng kung ano-ano. Yan. Ganda, guys. So, dito nga pala yung adjust ng side mirrors with auto fold. So guys, eto nga pala yung design ng upuan with leather stitch and sporty looks. So wala siyang armrest. So yeah, ganda. And then you have air vent here with one USB port. Actually, yeah, one USB port lang, tapos lagay na cellphone. So, it has a 6 speakers, guys. Then, yun nga, may air vent sa likod, tsaka foot vent. So, may foot vent to sa may paanan. So, kung gusto rin nating malamigan, meron to. Then, so, may LED ka dito na lights. Tapos dito, may document holder ka rin. So, ayan. So, malaki naman yung headroom, legroom ko. So, ganyan siya kalaki. So, yeah. So, ito yung likod ng MG GT Sports. So, as you can see, ang ganda ng likod, oh. Shit. Naka-trail tail lamp. Trail tail lamp ang tawag nila dyan. With 3-eye sensor. So, MG GT badge with rear view camera. So, tignan natin yung loob. So, ayan. So, malaki din, actually. And then, you have the spare tire here with set of tools. So, yung spare tire is donut type. So, yeah. So, that's it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko. So, guys, if you are a client na gustong-gustong kumuha ng sasakyan and may problem ka sa credit card mo, meron kang credit card na hindi nabayaran, nahatakan ka ng sasakyan, so, pwedeng-pwede ko po kayong matulungan. Plus, we have trading services and second-hand car financing. So, kung wala ka na talagang choice, so we have second-hand car financing. So, that's it, guys. And I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa pagpe-present ko. And if you have comments or suggestion, huwag kayo mahihiyang mag-comment dun sa comment section, guys. So, see you on my next vlog. And bye-bye!